and welcome to the Family Day Trippers. I'm George Wheeler and I'm going to be your vlogger today here at Thorpe Park. We're here on a bank holiday today, so we're doing a bit of a science experiment today essentially. So we're going to be seeing if Thorpe Park is quieter on a bank holiday, but looking at the crowds and the massive cattle pen out the front, I have my doubts. I'm going to just look at that crowd. Anyway, let's get in the park. Right, so we're being held now down here at Chain Road. Anyway, little top tip is, at the start of your day, always head left and go down to Sorrow Colossus, as later on in the day these two rides do build up big queues. So, just been on, saw the ride, one ride down, 40 minutes in. That is not, it's not bank holiday queues though, it's bad operations. They didn't start testing Saw the Ride till at least, well I'd say probably about 2 minutes before 10 o'clock, and it was delayed until probably about 10:20 we got in the queue. It's now about 10:40ish, 10:45, and we are in the queue for Colossus, second ride of the day. Now we're going to see some off-ride shots and then my reactions to the ride.
Your opinion? 3 out of 4 of us thought it was excellent.
Yeah, I give that ride 2 out of 10. Anyway, next we're going to do Walking Dead.
So how's the bank holiday queuing going so far?
Oh yeah, fair point, I should forget about that. Terrible. We queued an hour and 25 minutes for it.
But it is notoriously a bad throughput ride. So let's see how it goes from here onwards.
Yeah, anyway, Walking Dead the ride next, which I believe is a walk-on. So we've just come off Walking Dead the ride. It's very good actually, very well themed, quite scary actually. No live acts in there thankfully. To be fair, Walking Dead was probably about 15 minutes?
Yeah.
So yeah, it wasn't too bad anyway. Next we're going to try and find some nice Mardi Gras food and soak up some of those vibes. Tidal wave and thankfully waterproof coat solves all your problems on tidal waves. Don't waste your money on ponchos.
Is that all wear no clothes at all?
Yeah, as we had some of the old Thorpe Park teenagers shirtless. Anyway, very good though. I really enjoyed tidal wave. I've never done it before because I'm a bit too scared to, but
Glad you done it.
Really enjoyed it.
And how's the bank holiday queues going now? Bit bad?
Not too bad to be fair. Longest queue at the moment is 50 minutes, I believe, so we'll just check the app. Anyway, let's see if we can get some more off-road footage. Lovely intense areas of some section again, always smooth, B&M beauty.
And what was the queue like?
15 minutes if that.
Brilliant.
15.
Yeah.
If that. Anyway, next we're gonna go to stealth. Let's go. Right, so we're gonna go on detonator, not stealth. So here's a YouTube tip for beginners. If you're doing theme park channels, don't tell people where you're going because half the time you aren't going to go there. Anyway, let's go on detonator and enjoy it.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Right, so we've just been on a detonator. Boom! Away. Very good drop tower, one of the best, probably the best in the UK. I mean, we haven't done Apocalypse. We're hoping, this is not definite, we will get on Apocalypse this year before it closes and make it straight and manner for the first time. No promises, but hopefully we will. So we'll have to see how that compares to Apocalypse, but for me that is the best drop tower in the UK. What about you, Shane?
Hangover.
Oh yeah, you've been on Hangover, I've been on Hangover. Anyway, next we're going to do a Nemesis Inferno. We'll have some off-road footage and we'll have my reaction afterwards. Nemesis Inferno, there we go. And I honestly cannot believe what's happened in there. The woman in there said, you've got 25 seconds to get yourself ready to the staff and the people to dispatch. So obviously she's been on holiday to Thorpe Park. I cannot believe it. And in 25 seconds, from that second one where we got in to second 25, we were dispatched. I cannot believe it. But honestly, that was running really fast. For Inferno, that was really fast. Well, that's what we're going to have next year with the old Nemesis retrack. Hopefully we'll make it up to Alton Towers this year to gun it one final time. Anyway, let's go on down. I thought it was a little bit shake, rattle and roll, but you know,
each to their own.
Each to their own. Anyway, now.
Hang on, what are we here for?
Oh, queue time experiment. Half an hour on the dot, I would say.
Perfect, went in.
Lovely. The day's got better and better as we've gone on. Anyway, now things have got back together a lot better. We're having KFC! Anyway, let's go! Right, so we've just had a lovely KFC. I had a fillet box, which includes a chicken burger, a little pot of beans, some fries, and a little seasoned chicken drumstick with some batter on. Really, really nice. Really good value for money. I think that was about £9. So that's a KFC in the amateur-themed area of the park, sort of nice tucked away from oh my god, Tideway, there we go. Anyway, now we're going on Rumble Rapids. The day is drawing to a close now, so things are quieting now, so hopefully we'll get some nice short queues. Nothing's like above 40 minutes now, so I think it's going to get quieter and quieter, maybe get a few re-rides, who knows. On the Rumble Rapids.
Did you get wet, George? Did you get wet?
Yes.
Oh dear. The only person I've ever known
to get KFC Mega Wave at Alton Towers. But except it's not the KFC. We did have KFC before, didn't we?
We did indeed. Anyway. Maybe it was that extra KFC that pushed you into the wave a bit harder.
Anyway, next we're going to go, well, we've ridden everything on a ride today, so we're going to go and do some re-rides and see where it takes us.
And scientific experiment?
Not been too bad. Start of the day I thought, oh my god, what a load let us in for with those 2 rides. It took us 2 hours. But then it got a lot better after that.
So, you've done Stealth, you've done Saw the Ride, you've done Swarm, you've done Nemesis Inferno. Where does this rank amongst all them coasters?
Worst.
The worst? What? Below Colossus? Wow.
And the straight was like right there, so it's like really pushing down on his stomach. You couldn't breathe. Anyway, now we're going on the Swarm for a re-ride.
Awesome.
Been on Swarm, really good second ride. We're on the back row of the right wing. Never done the right wing before, so that was a good experience.
And what did you think of the right wing?
Good.
Better than the left wing, or do you think the left wing's better?
Left was better. And then we did Rush, which was alright. It wasn't anything special, but it was alright.
It's a big swing.
Yeah, essentially, yeah. Anyway, we had a brilliant day here at Thorpe Park Mardi Gras. We soaked up some of the vibes. We got plenty of rides on after a slightly bad start.
It was an awful start,
Yeah, it was an awful
but it
start.
made up for it.
Yeah, it made up for it. We got loads of rides done today. Tons and tons of rides.
And your scientific experiment, would you?
Yes, it is. It can be quieter.
I think overall,
It probably was.
it was, yeah.
Yes. Right. Thank you for watching the Family Day to the vlog here from Thorpe Park. I've been Georgina, your host, Shane O'Toole behind the camera, and if you haven't already, please hit the like button on this video as it does help push it out on YouTube to more people. And if you want to join the Family Day to this family, please do consider hitting that subscribe button and clicking that bell so you know when the latest Family Day to this videos are coming out. And finally, if you want to say hi, have a suggestion, or want to ask a question, please do post it down in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.